How to be completely free and how do you build your total freedom formula? You see, we have a lot of plans. We have plans to grow in a career and job. We have plans to grow in studies. But most of us, we don't have any plan to have a freedom. What is your freedom plan? There are 5 stages that everybody goes through. And if you want to build a total freedom, you would want to know about these 5 stages. Stage number 1 is employee. Now, this is where you trade time for money. You have no freedom. Your income is just over broke. You have no leverage. In this, you are operating in a survival mode. Not a great place to be. Then you can go to the stage 2, which is freelancer, meaning where you are working on your own skills and getting the project and closing the deals, whether it's for digital marketing, for graphics, for funnels, whatever it is, you can be a freelancer. There, you have partial time freedom. It does not have freedom, but it's an illusion of freedom because you still have to work a lot on the project to project basis. Money is not abundant. You're still in a survival mode. Then comes the stage 3. This is where many people are there. Solopreneurs or traditional businesses. Now in this, there's a big drawback that you are the one man or one woman show. You're doing everything and there is no freedom. Why? Because if you don't work, you don't make money. And even in the traditional business formula, this is not scalable. There's so much of complications are there. Storage, product and distribution and so many things. That is also not a great formula. And now comes the next stage. Stage number 4, passionpreneurs. This is my favorite place. You see, the passionpreneur concept is very interesting. Somebody who has built the business around passion. And this concept was not clear and still not known to many people. This is a stage where you have leverage. This is where you'll make lots of money and you outsource a lot of your work to so many people so that you can start becoming a crorepati or become a crorepati. This is a wonderful place where you don't trade time for money. You trade value for money. Number 5, empire builder. Now, as you progress, you reach a place where you make a crore as a passionpreneur. What is the next stage? This is where you build an empire. This is where you don't trade time or even value for money. You trade ideas for money. This is where the magic happens. This is where the generation wealth is built. That long after you're gone, your family will still enjoy your wealth. Great fulfillment, great leverage. So these are the 5 steps for you to build your total freedom formula. If you want to learn more, click the link below, put it in the chat box, and I will teach you my secrets how I went from 9 to 5 to becoming an empire builder within 3.5 years, driving a Ferrari, living in an 11-bedroom home, but more than that, living my passion and making a big difference to people. So click the link. I will see you in the webinar.